Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline the key words in the definitions to help you. Word bank. A. Inherited trait. B. Learned behavior. C. Adaptation. D. Instinct. E. Structure. Number 1. A trait or behavior that helps an organism survive in its environment. Number 2. A behavior that an animal knows how to do from birth that helps it survive. Number 3. A behavior that develops as a result of experience or by observing other organisms. Number 4. A characteristic passed from parents to their offspring. Number 5. Physical features of an organism. Example, fur on a bear. Number 6. Which of these behaviors would be an inherited ability for a dog? A. Chasing cats. B. Peeing outside on grass. C. Sitting on command. Number 7. A group of science students created a chart to show what they knew about inherited traits and learned behaviors in children. Which of these is an inherited trait the students could put in the column of the chart? Inherited traits: growing long eyelashes, having brown eyes, breathing when born. Learned behaviors: liking the color red, making a sandwich, hitting a baseball, reading a book. A. Cooking a meal. B. Speaking Spanish. C. Crying when hurt. Number 8. How do the spines on a cactus plant differ from the leaves of other plants to help it survive in its environment? A. Spines lose more water than other types of leaves. B. Spines lose less water than other types of leaves. C. Spines evaporate more water than other types of leaves. Number 9. The chart below shows the number of chipping sparrows and grasshoppers living in a grassland biome. Grassland habitat, number of animals, chipping sparrows, grasshoppers. What happened to the grasshopper population between 2002 and 2003? A. It stayed about the same. B. Increased a lot. C. Decreased a lot. Number 10. Look at the picture of the duck and frog. How does each animal use its feet in the same way to help it survive? A. They each use their feet as springs to jump for insects. B. They each use their feet as anchors to keep them in one place in the water. C. They each use their feet as paddles to push them through the water. Number 11. Many animals that live in the desert biome adapt in some way to survive. Review the following adaptations and determine which is a behavioral adaptation instinct. A. Hibernating during the winter months. B. Having a light-colored body covering that absorbs less heat from the environment. C. Having a spiky tail to keep away predators. Number 12. Some animals have sharp teeth while others have flat teeth. The structure of an animal's teeth is most related to A. The sound an animal makes. B. The organism the animal eats. C. The animal's ability to escape predators. Directions. Put an I for an inherited trait and an L for learned behavior. Number 13. Feathers. Number 14. Lion jumping through hoop. Number 15. Flower color.